So today in this part we will see the Amit Shah's speech on the resolution of Article 370 and 35A, and then we'll talk about what were the changes after this resolution. So first of all, let us listen the speech of Amit Shah.
Aware of it. So I call upon Sri Amit Shah to move for review to introduce Jammu Kashmir Reservation Second Amendment Bill. Please. I have already said it.
सभापति महोदय,
प्लीज बैठ जाइए, अदरवाइज रिकॉर्ड में नहीं जाएगा। एसओपी स्पीकिंग और रिकॉर्ड में नहीं जाएगा, आप लोग बैठ जाइए प्लीज।
some parts of the Jammu Kashmir वो भी कर्फ्यू के अंदर है, कश्मीर कर्फ्यू के अंदर है। तीन चीफ मिनिस्टर्स और दूसरी पार्टियों के लीडर्स सभी हाउस अरेस्ट थे और पूरे स्टेट में एक ऐसा वातावरण जैसे वॉर सिचुएशन है, उसको सबसे पहले उस पर चर्चा करनी चाहिए।
ये बिल के साथ
पास करेंगे,
बिल सारे
बिल को हम पास करेंगे,
3 बिल सारे
चर्चा करेंगे।
एक रेजोल्यूशन भी आ रहे हैं। ये सभी विषय उसके साथ
की नोटिस हमने
मिलकर हम चर्चा कर सकते हैं।
सभापति महोदय, मेरा ये कहना है, चर्चा होनी चाहिए। सभापति महोदय, मेरा ये कहना है, संकल्प और बिल लेकर आया हूँ, विषय पर है। सभापति महोदय, जम्मू कश्मीर के लिए जो कुछ भी चर्चा करनी हो, संसद के नेता को और समूचे विपक्ष को और सत्ताधारी पार्टी के लोगों सब पर मैं तैयार हूँ। सब चीजों का मैं जवाब देने के लिए भी तैयार हूँ और डिटेल आप न हो, मैं जवाब देने के लिए तैयार हूँ। मगर मैं जो
नो डिस्प्ले ऑफ बैनर्स प्लीज।
गुलाम नबी जी, मुझे सुनिए।
बोथ ऑफ यू आर important members. You can protest.
Sir,
that is not the way.
माननीय गृहमंत्री जी, आप
Home Minister,
गुलाम नबी जी, मुझे
nothing
सुनिए।
else will go on record except Home Minister. He is saying he is ready to answer. What is your problem? Please.
अरे भाई,
No, I have already given my ruling on this. What is the point of order? No, what is the rule? No, please, not every day. Every day it's not happening. Please, you can't speak without my permission. श्री मधुसूदन मिस्त्री जी, आप वरिष्ठ है, कृपया बैठ जाइए। आप बैठ जाइए, पुनिया जी बैठ जाइए। What is the rule?
sir, point of order.
Everything will come for discussion. Everything will come for discussion. But what can I do? You are all friends.
Sir, my point of order is on Rule 69. Sir, Rule 69 allows the chairman to use his discretionary power to introduce a bill on the same day without circulating it, without members reading it. It allows you the power, sir. It allows you the power. I have no quibble on that. Sir, my simple point is, sir, but the rest of the 69, 1, 2, 3, 4 and the first 4 lines, sir, on that I appeal to you, sir, to please, when these bills are circulated, please allow us the time to read these bills, to understand these bills. For example, this is a good bill.
Right.
But when we are not given the time, sir, I appeal to you. You have the power to circumvent all. But we feel deprived, sir.
I got your point. I
Thank
respond.
you, sir.
I got your point. There is a reason. I do admit that members need time to read it. So even after the minister introduced the bill, the members will be given an opportunity to give amendments up to 12:30 today. Any member on any bill, they can give amendments. Then there will be also time available to you even to study also before you speak. That arrangement has been made, and I am saying it officially, it will go on record. Members can, once the bill is introduced, members can move amendments and also start applying their mind. Because we have only 2 days left, so we have to understand the importance. आपका लीडर ने बोला, डोला जी आप क्यों यार? He is capable. I heard him, and also have taken it positively. So it's not Anand ji, it's not only that bill. There are 2 bills and 1 resolution also. Once they come before you, then you start reacting on that. Home Minister.
के खिलाफ नहीं है।
Agreed.
बिल के खिलाफ
Agreed.
लेकिन 267 जो हमने नोटिस दी है,
उसका भी जवाब होगा।
कश्मीर में
उसको 1-1.5 घंटे में डिस्पोज ऑफ करके माननीय गृह मंत्री
मुझे
इसका जवाब
5 मिनट
दे
सुनिए।
और हम बिल ले लेंगे।
नहीं
गुलाम नबी साहब मुझे 5 मिनट सुनिए।
रूलिंग देने के बाद फिर चर्चा नहीं होगा।
मुझे 5 मिनट सुनिए।
Please, you are the leader of the opposition. You are well aware of the rules. You raised a relevant point. It's important. Country is also
is how
taking note of the same what is happening and all.
People's
It is the
Democratic
duty of the
Party
government to
is
explain to the House. The Home
revolting
Minister
against
told
the
me that
revocation
he is
of
going to
Article
explain it,
370 as a
and he
rule.
says
This is
now
how
itself
they
he is going to explain it. Let us first hear him and let the bill
And,
also be moved and then we
making
discuss.
Amit Shah
Please,
not
बैठ
to
जाइए.
speak
We
so
know.
that he could not bash the
आप
bill
बैठ
that
जाइए
the
प्लीज कृपया आप बैठ जाइए अमित शाह honorable home minister nothing else will go on the card other than home minister nothing else will not go on.
सभापति महोदय,
शिवाजी प्लीज बैठिए
मैं
रंगराजन प्लीज सिट डाउन.
मैं आज जो रिवाइज अपना बिजनेस का लिस्ट है उसके अंदर आपने मुझे व्यवस्था दी है कि मैं 2 संकल्प और एक बिल जो प्रिंटेड बिल रिवाइज रूल बिजनेस के अलावे मैं प्रस्तुत करूं. मैं चारों चीजें एक साथ प्रस्तुत करूंगा. इस पर डिटेल से चर्चा करेंगे और उसके बाद में मैं जवाब भी दूंगा और चारों पर एक के बाद एक कर डिवीजन करना है तो डिवीजन. मगर मुझे भरोसा है कि चारों चीजें पर एक सहमति हो जाएगी तो हम इस पर चर्चा कर वोटिंग करेंगे. माननीय गुलाम नबी आजाद जी ने जो कहा कि कश्मीर की आज की जो स्थिति है उस पर चर्चा करनी चाहिए, मैं उनसे एक ही निवेदन करना चाहता हूं कि चारों 2 संकल्प और 2 बिल जो लेकर आए हैं वो कश्मीर इश्यू पर ही है. उस पर आप अपना विचार रख सकते हैं. इस वक्त कश्मीर की आज की स्थिति पर भी रखिए, उस पर भी मैं जवाब दूंगा. अब मैं एक के बाद एक संकल्प और
I have permitted the Home Minister, please.
महोदय मैं संकल्प प्रस्तुत
In my
करता
own
हूं.
wisdom, I have permitted. It's very important, serious issue.
महोदय
It will come to you. One after another, it will come to you, please.
महोदय मैं संकल्प प्रस्तुत करता हूं कि ये सदन अनुच्छेद 370(3) के अंतर्गत भारत के राष्ट्रपति द्वारा जारी की जाने वाली निम्नलिखित अधिसूचनाओं की सिफारिश करता है. संविधान के अनुच्छेद 370(3) के अंतर्गत भारत के संविधान के अनुच्छेद 370 के खंड 1 के साथ पठित अनुच्छेद 370 के खंड 3 द्वारा प्रदत्त शक्तियों का प्रयोग करते हुए राष्ट्रपति संसद की सिफारिश पर यह घोषणा करते हैं कि यह दिनांक जिस दिन भारत के राष्ट्रपति द्वारा इस घोषणा पर हस्ताक्षर किए जाएंगे और इसे सरकारी गैजेट में प्रकाशित किया जाएगा, उस दिन से अनुच्छेद 370 के सभी खंड लागू नहीं होंगे सिवाय खंड 1 के नामक तदनुसार पढ़ा जाएगा. संविधान के समय समय पर संशोधित बिना किसी संशोधन और अपवाद के जम्मू और कश्मीर राज्य पर लागू होंगे. इस बात के सिवा अनुच्छेद 152 अथवा अनुच्छेद 301 में नहीं किसी अपवाद अथवा इस संविधान के किसी अन्य अनुच्छेद अथवा जम्मू और कश्मीर संविधान के किसी अन्य उपबंध अथवा कोई कानूनी दस्तावेज, निर्णय, अध्यादेश, उपनियम, नियम, विनिमय, अधिसूचना, रीति रिवाज अथवा भारत के भूभाग में कानून के प्रवर्तन अथवा कोई अन्य लिखित संधि अथवा समझौते जैसे अनुच्छेद 363 के अंतर्गत परिकल्पित हो अन्यथा न हो. माननीय सभापति महोदय, मैं संकल्प प्रस्तुत करता हूं कि यह सभा भारत के राष्ट्रपति की दिनांक 19 दिसंबर 2019 की उद्घोषणा के अनुरूप जम्मू और कश्मीर की राज्य की विधायी शक्तियां इस सदन में निहित होने एवं राष्ट्रपति द्वारा भारत के संविधान अनुच्छेद 3 के प्रावधान के अंतर्गत जम्मू और कश्मीर पुनर्गठन विधेयक 2019 को सदन के सम्मुख विचार के लिए संबोधित करने पर यह सदन जम्मू और कश्मीर आरक्षण अधिनियम 2004 का और संशोधन करने वाले विधेयक पर विचार किया जाए।
The question is that the leave be granted to introduce the bill. Those in favor, please sign.
कि जम्मू और कश्मीर पुनर्गठन विधेयक 2019 पर विचार किया जाए।
We are discussing a reservation bill. We are discussing only reservation bill. Try to understand. Please. 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 We are only discussing
So this was Amit Shah's speech on the revocation of Article 370. Then what were the changes made after this Article 370? That Article 370 gave Jammu and Kashmir its own constitution and decision making rights for all matters bearing defense communication and removing defense communications and foreign affairs, but its removal ends all the special status that these decision making rights, which was the key to its accession to India in 1947. Then this Article 370 made necessary for the center to get the state legislature's approval. Previously it was necessary that for the center to get the state legislature's approval for introducing any policies. Means when the Article 370 was there, before passing any type of bill, it is necessary that the center state legislature's approval is required for that. Otherwise it should not be it could not be passed, or any policies could not be applied in the constitutional powers of the state. Then what happened in proposal law, which has cleared Rajya Sabha and will need Lok Sabha's approval, Jammu Kashmir will cease to a state and become two union territories with two lieutenant governors, that is, one is Ladakh and another one is Jammu and Kashmir. After this removing of Article 370 and 35A, the Rajya Sabha cleared that the Jammu and Kashmir will, which was previously a state, will be divided into two union territories with two lieutenant governors, that is, one is Ladakh, another one is Jammu and Kashmir. Then this division, what it did, this division created, means a blessing, heaven's gift or a blessing for Ladakh, and also a heaven's storm, or we can say thunderbolt, for Jammu and Kashmir. Then the government's huge steps followed a massive build-up of troops in sensitive Kashmir valleys, and a night where senior leaders, including Chief Minister Umar Abdullah, the grandson of Sheikh Abdullah, and Mehbooba Mufti, were placed under house arrest. After this government's huge step on the Kashmir issue, and in the night, the senior leaders, including former chief minister, means the senior leaders that and the former chief minister was Umar Abdullah, and the senior leaders were Mehbooba Mufti, they were arrested. And what happened on 1st January 2020, you must have known this one. On 1st January 2020, internet and phone lines were forced out of service in parts of Jammu and Kashmir. Internet and phone lines which were previously there, they were forced out of service, and all the educational institutions and offices were had been banned from gathering in Kashmir. Means gathering should not be there. Otherwise, any attack, they can attack any that Ladakh or Indian government. It is means no. It is quite difficult. It is means it can create a huge revolt. So what they did, they means they did they kept out all the internet phone line service, and all the educational of institutions and offices were closed, and groups means gathering was banned. Then what happened? Thousands of paramilitary troops were sent to Kashmir on the last week, means on 5th, before 5th August. After the government said it was cancelling the Amarnath Yatra and annual pilgrimage, and outsiders were and asked tourists and outsiders to leave the state. What happened when after, before the resolution or the removal of Article 370, all the people who went for Amar Yatra and annual pilgrimage, they were told to leave the state, and afterwards after the removal of Article 370, outsiders people can go to Jammu and Kashmir and go to Amarnath Yatra and different annual pilgrimage, which was not previously there in Jammu and Kashmir. Then this is how after the division of Jammu and Kashmir. Here you can see, here it is Jammu and Kashmir, here in this part. Here it is Ladakh, here it is Pakistan, you can see here. Then going to the next part. So today I conclude my presentations with this. Thank you for your patience hearing, and also a huge thank for you for giving me such an opportunity to speak. I am very thankful to you, and hope you have a good day. Thank you.